Hey, this is Steve from Race Sport, and today I want to talk to you about our Low Pro Series light bars. This is an awesome on and off-road light bar. It's hard to see in the bumper, but this is a ultra slim light bar and very lightweight. This is great for mounting in grills, bumpers, valances, in hard locations where larger bars won't mount. What's great about this is it has a low power amber light that you can actually drive on road, and then of course when you need that high power off-road white, it comes with a switch harness and a rocker to be able to turn that on. What makes this better than most light bars on the market, again, is its ultra slim design, and it is one of the lightest and thinnest light bars on the marketplace today. So it's great for mounting, but again, to have that on-road low power amber feature that you can actually drive functionally with your bar really makes it an amazing bar, because a lot of light bars, you can't drive with them on. They're either too bright or they have colors that are illegal to drive with. So that low power amber just serves as another marker light on your bar. And again, even when the high power lights are on, they're extremely high power.
If you like this video, make sure you check out the rest of our product showcase series, as well as our Hot or Not series and our daily SEMA highlights.